Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly magical to share with you. Magic seeds. These little wonders of nature can bring so much health and vitality into our lives. We're diving deep into how these seeds can naturally boost our well-being, so get ready to be amazed. Let's uncover the secrets of these tiny powerhouses together and see how they can help us live our healthiest, most vibrant lives. Stay tuned and let's get started. Welcome to our video on magic seeds, a fascinating topic that has gained attention for their remarkable health benefits. Magic seeds refer to a variety of seeds known for their nutritional properties and potential to enhance your overall health. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that may help in reversing aging and boosting immunity. In today's health-conscious society, where people are increasingly seeking natural remedies, the significance of these benefits cannot be overstated. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our health and vitality. The idea of reversing aging resonates with many, as it offers hope for maintaining youthfulness and energy. Additionally, a strong immune system is crucial for warding off illnesses, especially in a world where health is a top priority. What's truly appealing about magic seeds is their simplicity and effectiveness. Incorporating them into your diet can be an easy yet powerful way to enhance your health naturally. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of magic seeds and explore how they can transform your wellness journey. So, what exactly is the definition of magic seeds? Magic seeds are a term used to describe a variety of seeds that are celebrated for their exceptional health benefits and nutritional value. Historically, these seeds have been utilized in traditional medicine across various cultures, often revered for their healing properties. Ancient civilizations recognized the potential of these tiny treasures, incorporating them into their diets and remedies to promote overall health and longevity. Nutritionally, magic seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to their impressive health benefits. For instance, flax seeds are known for their high omega-3 content, which supports heart health and may help reduce inflammation. Similarly, chia seeds are packed with fiber and protein, making them excellent for digestion and energy. Specific types of seeds, such as pumpkin seeds along with hemp seeds, are particularly noted for their anti-aging and immune-boosting properties. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which is vital for immune function, while hemp seeds provide a perfect balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting skin health and vitality. By understanding the origins and benefits of magic seeds, you can harness their power for a healthier lifestyle. The science behind reverse aging. Aging is a complex biological process characterized by the gradual decline of cellular function and increased vulnerability to diseases. Factors such as oxidative stress and inflammation play significant roles in this process. Interestingly, diet can influence these biological mechanisms, making nutrition a key player in promoting longevity and overall health. Recent studies have highlighted the potential of magic seeds in combating the effects of aging. Research indicates that the antioxidants and nutrients found in these seeds can help mitigate oxidative stress, a major contributor to cellular aging. For example, seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds are rich in lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health. Moreover, the high fiber content in many magic seeds aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, further contributing to overall wellness. By incorporating these nutrient-dense seeds into your diet, you can harness their powerful properties to support your body's natural defenses against aging. Understanding the science behind these processes empowers you to make informed choices for a healthier, more vibrant life. Boosting immunity naturally. A strong immune system is essential for overall health, acting as the body's defense mechanism against infections and diseases. In today's fast-paced world, where exposure to pathogens is constant, maintaining a robust immune response is more important than ever. This is where magic seeds come into play, offering a natural way to enhance immune function. Magic seeds are packed with specific nutrients that are known to support the immune system. For instance, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for the development and function of immune cells. Similarly, sunflower seeds provide vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports immune health. Additionally, chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can further bolster immunity. Incorporating these seeds into your daily diet is simple and effective. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or add them to oatmeal and yogurt. By making these small adjustments, you can maximize the health benefits of magic seeds and strengthen your immune system naturally, paving the way for a healthier you. 7-Day Challenge: How to use magic seeds. Are you ready to embark on a 7-day challenge to incorporate magic seeds into your daily routine? This simple plan will help you enjoy their health benefits while making it easy to track your progress. Day 1. Start your day with a chia seed pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. Top with fresh fruits in the morning. Day 2. Add flax seeds to your morning smoothie. Blend 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with your favorite fruits and spinach for a nutritious boost. Day 3. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your salad for lunch. They add a delightful crunch and are packed with immune-boosting nutrients. Day 4. Enjoy a snack of sunflower seeds. A handful can provide a quick energy boost and satisfy your cravings. Day 5. Make a homemade energy bar using oats, honey, and a mix of your favorite seeds. This is perfect for on-the-go snacking. Day 6. Incorporate hemp seeds into your dinner by adding them to stir-fried vegetables or grain bowls. Day 7. Reflect on your week. Track your progress and share your experiences with friends or in the comments below. Celebrate your journey to better health with magic seeds. Real-life success stories. Inspiring testimonials from individuals who have incorporated magic seeds into their diets reveal the transformative power of these tiny superfoods. One such story comes from Sarah, a 45-year-old woman who struggled with fatigue and frequent colds. After adding chia seeds to her morning smoothies and pumpkin seeds to her salads, she noticed a significant boost in her energy levels and a marked improvement in her immune response. Sarah reported feeling more vibrant and less susceptible to seasonal illnesses. Another remarkable case is that of Tom, a 60-year-old man who was concerned about the signs of aging. After incorporating flax seeds into his daily routine, he experienced improvements in his skin texture and overall vitality. Tom shared that he felt more youthful and energetic, attributing these changes to the antioxidants and healthy fats found in magic seeds. These success stories highlight the potential health improvements related to aging and immunity that can come from simple dietary changes. As you consider your own health journey, think about the positive outcomes you could achieve by embracing the benefits of magic seeds. Your story could be the next inspiring testament to the power of natural nutrition. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the incredible benefits of magic seeds for reversing aging and boosting immunity. These nutrient-dense seeds, such as chia, flax, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds, are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can enhance your overall health. By incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine, you can support your body's defenses against aging and illness, promoting a vibrant and energetic lifestyle. The importance of natural remedies in maintaining health cannot be overstated. As we've seen, simple dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in health and vitality, making it easier to achieve your health goals. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about magic seeds. Your support helps us create more content focused on health and wellness. Don't forget to explore our channel for additional tips, recipes, and success stories that can inspire your journey toward better health. Thank you for watching till the end, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye for now.